how do you guys make data unhackable? Because that just sounds like a utopia, right? Like, wow, that makes perfect sense, right? Like, but how? Because so, absolutely, I'm sure it's a challenging task or engineering feat, but how do you guys do it on a high level?
Yeah, well, why wouldn't you want to make your data unhackable? Yeah, so essentially, to your point, customers' competitive edge, sensitive information about their employees or their customers, it's everywhere. And so every customer out there has a reason to try to make their data unhackable. And we're super proud to be able to execute on that, to actually help them protect themselves from even the most advanced forms of cyber attacks. And so ultimately what we do is we help customers take their intellectual property, their personal identifiable information, the medical files, their legal files, whatever they deem